So far, we've learned how to work with text and JSON files. In this third lesson, we're going to explore how to handle CSV files in Python, perfect for working with spreadsheets or tabular data. Let's start by writing some data to a .csv file. We begin by importing the CSV module. Then we use with_open with mode W for writing and set new line equals to avoid extra blank lines in the output. We create a CSV writer using csv.writerf and then add the column headers using writer.writerow. After that, we add two rows, one for John and one for Emma. Let's run the code. Once you do, you'll see a file named people.csv is created in your project folder, and it contains the rows we just added. Now let's learn how to read that file back in Python. Again, we use with_open, but this time with mode R for reading. We create a CSV reader with csv.readerf and loop through the rows using a for loop, printing each one to the console. Let's run the code. Once you run it, the contents of the CSV file will be printed to the terminal, just like a list of rows. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to work with folders and directories in Python using the os module. So make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you in lesson 4.